With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends. So in this question it is given that if m be the number of integral solutions of equation 2x square minus 3xy minus 9y square minus 11 equals to 0 and n be the roots of this equation x cube minus greatest integer function of x minus 3 equals to 0, then m is equals to what? And you can see m be the number of integral solution of this equation. So first we have to find the solution of this equation. Okay, so here I am taking this equation that my f of x is given equals to 2x square, this equation, minus 3xy minus 9y square minus 11 equals to 0. Okay, so if I calculate the roots of this equation, so what I will get? 2x square, this can be written as in the terms of, here what I will do, first I will take my 11 that side. Okay, 11 I have taken this side. Now 2x square minus this can be taken in parts, so minus 6y plus 3xy minus 9y square equals to 11, because I am finding the roots here. Okay, so here I will get 2x will be common, so x minus 3y. Okay, then here 3 and y will be common, so x minus 3y equals to 11. So you will get 2x plus 3y and x minus 3y equals to 11. Okay, so for these roots to be equal to 11, the condition will be what? Either the value of this root is equals to 11 or the value of this root is 1. Okay, then only I am getting 11, or the value of this is 1 and the value of this will be coming 11, then also it can be equals to 11. So these two conditions are there. So according to first condition, okay, that my 2x plus 3y equals to 11. So here 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and x minus 3y equals to 1. Okay, x minus 3y equals to 1. So here I will check that what I will get the value of x and y. Okay, so this will be cutting. Okay, here I will get 3x equals to 11 plus 1 will be 12. So here I am getting x equals to 4. Okay, now if you put the value of x in this equation, so what you will get? Here I am putting 4 minus 3y equals to 1. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 equals to 3y. So here you will get 4 minus 1 3 and 3y. So y will be equals to 1. Okay, so here my x is coming equals to 4, y is coming equals to 1. Okay, now a second condition is also there, that my 2x plus 3y equals to 1. So that also I have to take here, that my 2x plus 3y is equals to 1 and my x minus 3y is equals to 11. Okay, so here this will be cutting. Again here what you will get? 3x. Okay, and this will give me minus 12. Okay, so here, oh sorry, they will add. So here my x is coming 4. Okay, now I have to put the value of y in this equation. Okay, so here what I will get? 4 minus 3y equals to 11. So 4 minus 11 equals to 3y. So here what I will get? Minus 7 equals to 3y. So here my y is coming minus 7 by 3. So it is coming negative. Okay, and here these roots are positive. Okay, so here I will consider my these roots. Okay, I have checking both the conditions. Okay, so here I am getting my value of x equals to 4 and y equals to 1, and here I am getting x equals to 4, but this value of y is opposite sign of x, which is minus 7 by 3. It means sign is opposite, it is negative coming. So I will consider this roots. Okay, so my one root of m will be what? In this question it is given that if m be the number of integral solution of equation this. Okay, So we are getting two solutions. One is 4, okay, and one is y equals to 1. So here I am taking m equals to 1, okay. The lowest solution I am taking m equals to 1, okay. Now my second equation is given what? My second equation is given x cube minus greatest integer function of x minus 3 equals to 0. Here you can write this x cube minus 3 and take your greatest integer function that side, okay. So x cube minus 3 equals to greatest integer function, okay. Now when you put 0 here in this part, so you will get 0 minus 3, it will be minus 3, okay. Here what I am doing, I will plot on graph so it will be easy to understand, okay. So this is my y-axis here and this is my x-axis, okay. So when you put 0 here, so I will get the value minus 3. When you put 1, so 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, okay. So overall its values will be formed like this. Here it is 1, here it is 2, minus 1, minus 2, okay. So it will be going something like this, okay. Crossing this value, it will be going like this, okay. At the place when you put minus 1 here, so minus 1 and minus 3 will be minus 4, okay. So its graph will be forming like this. Here I will write it is of x cube minus 3. Now for this condition, greatest integer function, we know that when you put here 0, so you will get the value 0 only. When you put 0.5, then also it will be taken 0 only. When you put 1.2, so the value will be taken 1, okay. So here what we can see, that when my value is between 0 and 1, so here I am getting here when my value is between 0 and 1, so the value is coming 0 only, greatest integer function giving me 0 only. When my value is at from 1 to 2, when I take, so it will be 1, giving me 1 only, all the values. Then further we can make, okay. So further from 2 to 3, here you can make. So you can see what, that my only this part will be my touching part at this graph, okay. So from this I can say what, that I am having only one solution, okay. Both of these will be touching at only one point. It means I am having only one solution. So for this equation in the question, it is given that this equation has n be the roots of this equation. So here I will get only one solution. It means n equals to 1. Now m equals to 1, n equals to 1. In the question it is given what is m equals to what, okay. So you can write m equals to n because both are equals to 1, okay. So that will be your answer for this question. So I hope you understand the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.